Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make opal squash soup. You will need one opal squash that you could find at any Asian grocery store, about a pound of shrimp, one shallot, garlic salt, sugar, regular salt if you don't have garlic salt, black pepper, fish sauce, and mushroom seasoning. Start by peeling your squash and cutting off the ends, and then removing the insides of the squash. Then cut into thin slices. Wash your shrimp and pat dry. Then go ahead and mince your shrimp and place into a bowl. Season the shrimp with garlic salt, black pepper, sugar, mushroom seasoning, and fish sauce. If you don't have garlic salt, you can add regular salt and then add some minced garlic. Mix well and then set aside. Thinly slice the shallots, and then in a pot add some oil and saute your shallots for about a minute. Add in about a half gallon of water and bring to a boil. Once the water has been boiled, you're going to add in your shrimp mixture. Once the shrimp is cooked, go ahead and remove the shrimp. Add in the squash and then cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove any impurities that you see rising to the top. And then you're going to season your soup with some more sugar, salt, black pepper, fish sauce, and mushroom seasoning. Give it a taste and add any additional seasonings that you need. Add the shrimp back into the soup and you're all done. Go ahead and put it in a bowl and enjoy with some white rice.